Look at that. Wednesday. Hospital day. Snow. Rain in the afternoon, snow in the morning. So that maybe it'll all wash itself away. Rain on Thursday. 52 Friday. 43 Saturday. And I won't be able to go to tech, and I'll be cabin fever. Or a nurse at ranchomax. God. Okay, I'm off to drop those knives off, those floral knives, and like I said, I got a guy that wants me to look at a sword to sharpen, and I got to drop some knives off at the butcher shop. So I'll get back to you in a little while. Stand by. It's Wednesday. It's Tuesday. No, today's Wednesday. No, today's Tuesday. That's right. Tuesday. NCIS night, 8 o'clock. My favorite show. He's evil. That guy is evil. Look at it. It's like 16 out there today. Well, we got the knives, floral knives dropped off. We dropped off the butcher shop knives. Now we're headed over to the local Mako paint store. See about how much it costs to get the rice burner painted. You can see the rice burner's got some bad places on the hood. It's got several places like that on top of the roof. It just needs a little tune-up after 14 years of travel. So we're going to shoot over there and get the guy to give us a price on how much it would cost. And we're kind of waiting around till 12:30, 1 o'clock to pick up that sword, or at least to take a look at that sword from the sword guy. And then we're going to head out and dig in. I don't know where we're going to dig. It's only like 30 today, so it's kind of chilly. A little teeny bit of wind. I don't know if we're going to the beach or to the dirt. But today is the last day for a while, you know what I mean? Rancho Max will be Nurse Max. Stand by. $733 clams. That was a little more than I was expecting. Mako. It's a lot of rings right there. 5 rings right there. Maybe 4 if they're big ones. That's the way I look at it. Rings. Not in cash. Stand by. One set of 2. Well, I just heard from the sword guy. I'm going to meet him in about 10 minutes. See what this sword looks like. I don't know if I'll get to the dirt or the beach today or not. I need to work them hot dogs off doing something though. We'll see how it goes. It used to be my home for many years. I got something to tell you funny. You know, I got the price of Mako to paint my truck. So I said, damn, that seems awful. I thought to myself, that seemed kind of high. I called the Toyota dealership where I bought my truck 14 years ago and told them, asked them, could I get a price on having it painted? She said, well, initially, without any body damage, it'd be $3,000 and could be up as much as $4,000 to $5,000. I said, that seems a little high to me. She says, well, that's just our normal standard paint job. I said, well, I got a quote from Mako for $799. She said, well, they're not using Toyota paint. I said to myself, what do I care? It's 14 years old. They could put Rust-Oleum on it. 3,000 smackers. Ah, damn, I'm glad I was sitting down when I got that. Stand by. The coupon man just gave somebody a coupon over there. You see him? See the coupon man sneaking by there? Here he comes. Look at it. Where's he going? What is he doing, the coupon man? I got to ask your opinion on something. I've been using my mini iPad a lot now. Trying to decide whether I still want to keep it or not. I've been using the what they call a talk-a-tone phone. You get a keypad and you get contacts, and it works pretty good as a phone. I'm not kidding you. Any of y'all use talk-a-tone? I'm just curious. It's a pretty interesting little doodad thing. And the sound and quality is great. Well, I paid the 99 cents a month. You have to pay 99 cents a month to get the extra feature. No advertising and stuff like that, you know. You can message with it. Works pretty good. You have to have a Google telephone number in order to have it. It hooks through Google Voice, you know. But you can use Google Voice just like you can talk-a-tone once you get the two together. There's the voice thing there, or it will be in a second. Don't give me that sign-up crap. I ain't into that today. Somebody carried a pool stick into the pool hall. I guess you carry a shovel in there anyway, would you? About time for the sword man to show up. Well, there's the sword. I'll take her out in a little while when I get home and show it to you. Boy, she's a fancy taquito. It's in a solid black fancy case. While we're out and about, the pool hall parking lot shopping center is only about 5 or 6 minutes from my favorite thrift store. This has a lot of knives, so you can see it up ahead of here now. We're going to try stopping there while we're in the neighborhood and see what they got in the way of knives. Well, it says stainless steel. A nice wooden handle on it. Thick back. Olympia, Japan. That's better than China or Taiwan. Or Afghanistan. What's that place? Not Afghanistan. Istanbul. You see, she got a little ding. Well, not a ding, but she's got a little bend. She's She's a little crook at it right at the end. I can fix that up though. She's a nice and heavy knife. I like it. That's the reason I got it. A nice bevel on it. Make a nice bait knife, fish knife. Nice heavy wooden handle. Okay. Well, there it is. Fine looking sword. Samurai sword, I presume. Not that I know much about swords. Ones I've seen on the movies, it looks like a samurai sword to me. Factory edge. Appears nothing has ever touched it or been on it. Brass guard here that slides into this fancy case. I don't see a maker's name anywhere. I see some, you know, I don't know. I'm looking for something that would give me an idea of who made it, but I see nothing. Maybe it's something on the case itself. But it's pretty nice. Same design. This is wood. So I'm at a loss as to what kind of sword, I mean, who made it. Maybe the guy will tell me. They will be informed a little more. I just had it in the wicked edge. It's a shade long. I'll have to sharpen on an angle like I tried it. I mean, I didn't try to sharpen, I just stuck it in there. I would have to work on like a 45, maybe sharpen it 3 places. Sharpen like from here to here, and then another foot. Do it in like 1 foot sections. But I think it's going to just use stone on it. Go to Cali. We'll have to see. Well, she's nearly finished. The sharpening part is finished. I'm just stropping it up a little now, trying to finish it up for delivery. Turned out pretty nice. Not bad for a big old sword, is it? I need somebody to come pick up this paper. I got paper everywhere. About another hour or so tomorrow should be finished. I gotta go take a shower, get cleaned up. I'm going to Low Tide Tim's tonight for homemade dinner of some sort. Low Tide Tim. Look, she's getting ready. She bought her some new things for the bottoms of them. She found these somewhere. Somebody gave them to her. I don't know where they came from. Tomorrow, I guess, or the next day. Well, I got another 20 minutes worth of stropping on it. It's theoretically done now. I might do a little bit in the morning, just to check a few places. But I'm going to be tied up with her all day tomorrow, so I figured I better go ahead and finish it. And the fellow's name is Derrick. If he wants to come by and get it tomorrow afternoon sometime, or Thursday, it'll be ready. I'm going to carry it over to Low Tide Tim's house now and let him take a look at her. Alright, I'll know more about this sword tomorrow too, what kind it is and everything. I do a video. I got to do the video, I got to do the video tonight because I won't be able to do it tomorrow. unless it's in the evening. So stand by. We'll see you. Stay warm. Bad storm coming. I don't know how much snow we're going to get, but they claim we're going to get some more. Come on, Paul. Let's go to Myrtle Beach. My Lord. Or either to see Michael in California. Pismo would be okay right now. See you later.
We got plenty. I got a whole case downstairs. I think if we run out, we'll be all right.
I've been waiting for this all day. Blow tight them.
That's what you're going to take home for dinner tomorrow night.
Yeah?
Yeah, or some of it.
What is it?
It's beef stew.
Beef stew. Let's see here. Ham. I like it. I had pineapple. Well, that smells good, doesn't it? We don't need but 3 glasses. She can't have any wine.
Oh, well, we'll just have to drink more.
Low tight Tim's got a big TV. Big, I mean. I like it too. There's Bowser. He got a little Bowser. That's lucky. Cavalier King Charles. A few more passes. I'm just about finished. This is a cold steel sword. Samurai sword. And I want to say it's called a Katina. K-A-T-I-N. I don't know. I'll have to go look to be certain of that. Stand by. Okay. It's a cold steel warrior. And it's a model like, it's called Cantana. C-K-A-N-T-A-N-A. Cantana. Carbon steel. 1055. Quite expensive. Quite sharp. Okay. See you Thursday sometime. I don't know if you can see this or not, but that's Catmando on the lower level of the house. That's the first time that's ever happened. Look at him. He jumped up there when he saw me. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Wild feral cat who lives in our house. Come on. You Catmando.